Hi guys, we're going out with the Thomas. Stop, act like that. And also my husband. We're going out for dinner for
Mother's Day.
What is it?
Mother's Day.
For Mother's Day. Sometimes my son is very makulit. What are you doing? Say hi.
No.
So this is Thomas, yung anak kong
Private information.
pogi. Handsome.
Guapo.
Guapo. See? Guapo. Alam niya, no? Alright, I'll see you later.
What's guapo?
Ang ganda ng panahon ngayon, sobra sunny, kaso ano siya, chill. Chilly. Like, malamig konti. Chill. Yun. Chill ba yun? Is that alright? Chill? So, malamig-lamig konti siya, kaya nakaganito ako. Wala mo ng t-shirt, malamig. Hindi pa sigurado yung weather namin dito sa Ohio. Nasa Cleveland kami, Cleveland, Ohio, USA. Harap kami ng ng lake, kaya medyo malamig siya yung temperature namin dito. So, hindi pa siya sure. Say hi, babe.
Hi, babe.
That's my husband. Look at that. Isn't he cute? Oh, baby. And that's my son, look. Hi, Tommy. Oh, here we go. He's just being goofy. So, we're on the way to
Texas Roadhouse.
where are we going?
Texas Roadhouse. Yeehaw!
Yun daw. Yun na yun. Grabe ang puno ng ng driveway dito. Puno kasi Mother's Day. Tapos Sunday pa. Wala talaga maparkingan. Yan, puno lahat. Occupied na. Ang hindi lang occupied, ayan no. Joke lang. Ang init. Masilaw yung
Everybody was kung fu fighting.
Where's Daddy? Daddy! Ah. Dami puno, oh. Sana makakain kami. Ayan, si Daddy. Ito na, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. Oh my goodness. Oh my God! Lilipat kami ng restaurant. I'm gonna show you the restaurant here in America. Pero yung Texas Road, siya, sobrang daming tao. Nagkulang sila ng mga upuan. So, we need to wait like at least almost 3 hours. Hell, no. Baka wala na. Nangayayat na ako yun sa sa gutom. So, maraming tao doon naghihintay sa sa labas. Pero naganap kami ng ibang restaurant. So pupunta na lang kami sa sa Longhorn Steakhouse. So ibang din 'yun, steakhouse din siya. So tumawag kami 1 hour and a half. Okay na 'yun kaysa doon sa almost 3 hours. Tapos habang siya, pupunta kami ng car wash namin yung sasakyan namin para pampatay ng oras sa wag hindi na doon maghintay-hintay pa. So gagawin na lang namin yung car wash. At kung anong maisip, punta namin para katapos gutom na, mamaya kakain na. So anyway, I'll see you guys in the car wash. monthly member. We're member. Kaya tipid-tipid din kami. Ganda oh. Hi babe. What? Unlimited car wash daw. So, how much monthly? $34. Unlimited car wash. So, nasa inyo kung kailan kayo pupunta. Ganun lang yun. So, ayan naman to. Oh. Nangungulit na naman tong batang to. Maligalig talaga tong anak ko. Ito, may taga-trapo pa oh. Oh. Yan yung magtatrapo. Hindi na tao ang magtrapo. Yung ano na, makina na. Oh. Tatrapuan niyan hanggang sa likod. Epic beginning, that means yung soup. So I'm gonna have a shrimp lobster chowder soup. So guys, I'm gonna get the fire grilled T-bone steak.
Give you guys a few minutes to decide, okay?
And look what they got. It's the bread. You like that, huh? Yeah. Daddy loved that. What you got? But that's what you like. Look at that too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Make some bread for us. Look at that. Tommy first. What a fancy.
Mom, now you're crying.
Really? Thanks, Daddy.
Wait, I thought you were supposed to order that appetizer.
The first what they give to me is
First course.
first
Called the first course.
course. First course. Sorry. Ano siya? Shrimp and lobster chowder. Yung sa kanya, salad. Salad. Asa pa? So guys, ito yung order ko. Tingnan niyo.
Yeah, beans and bologna.
I got steak.
That's my food.
I got
This is her food. Oh, the beans and bologna.
Go eat your food.
Yeah.
How's the steak, okay?
What's her face for? It's like
She's got to have something to complain about, so she's going to complain about the asparagus.
So lumabas na kami mga guys. Oh my god. Busog ako. Hindi ko nakain lahat. I didn't finish all. Half lang yata yun. Masyado malaki. Tapos ano, sa bahay kasi kumain na ako konti. Tapos naano din ako sa tinapay, tsaka yung sa soup, hindi na kaya talaga. Oh my goodness. Pupunta ako ng Stilliard, may bibilin lang ako. Yung ano, may bibilin akong isang ano lang. Daan lang muna tayo sa Stilliard. Kasi bili ako ng ano ba yun? Alright, we're on the way at the house. Well, we had a good time on Mother's Day. So, have a good night, guys. See you later or see you next time. Say bye-bye.
Bye. Happy Mother's Day, ladies.